2 cans of our drained lump crab meat in our frozen pie crust. We're just gonna lay that flat for now. I'm gonna come in with some green onions and we're gonna sprinkle a generous amount of green onion right on top of that crab meat. This is such a yummy and delicious seafood dinner that everyone will love. I have 1 jalapeno that I diced up and we're adding that on top. And if you don't like the heat, you can skip that or do some green chilies, but the heat is gonna add some great flavor. Now we're gonna add some diced white onion and we're gonna add about half of an onion right in there with our crab meat, our green onion, and our jalapenos. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. The onions, the jalapenos, the crab meat. This is gonna be a good one, you guys. I'm gonna bring in my very extra large and in charge lemon, and we are gonna add some zest to this. I just think that lemon goes so well with any seafood, but if you don't like lemon with this, you can skip it. But I mean, you're not gonna wanna skip it. You can add as much or as little lemon zest as you want. Get all of that goodness right there, right in there. Don't worry, my hands are clean. All right, and in order for this to be a solid pie, we have to add some eggs. I'm adding 4 eggs right in there. Beautiful. Now it's time to season this up, and we're gonna start off with our Krell seasoning. And you can add as much or as little as you want. This has a big punch to it, so make sure that you are prepared. If you don't like a lot of heat, don't add too much. I think that looks good. And then my other favorite seasoning for this, some Old Bay. So we're gonna do both. I know, call me crazy, but that is how the recipe goes. And we're gonna add a good amount of that. And then we're gonna start mixing this together, scrambling those eggs. And yes, I'm doing it in my pie crust. I know that people hate when I do that, but I do not wanna wash a bowl. So we are mixing it in our pie crust super quick. Oh my goodness, okay, that looks perfect, but we're not done yet. We are gonna add some medium cheddar cheese. And we're gonna add about a handful of our cheddar cheese, and then I have something extra special, a jalapeno pepper jack. Oh. Obviously this house likes to bring the heat, so we're gonna add a handful of our pepper jack in there as well. And then we're gonna actually mix this in with that crab, that egg, and all of that. But this is gonna be delicious. It's gonna add some more flavor, but this is gonna be a crab pie, and it is really, really good. And I think you guys are really gonna like it. And if you live somewhere where you have access to fresh crab, more power to you. So let's get this nice and mixed.
I feel like I like the can more.
All right, this is mixed. We're gonna just spread that out. So the cheese and the egg will make sure that this kind of holds together. And now we can pop this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Oh my, this smells incredible. The spices, the crab, the onions. Woo-hoo, this is gonna be a game changer. Oh my, all right. Make sure to cut all the way through to that crust.
It smells delicious.
It is smelling incredible, all up in my nostrils. Oh, would you look at that? Perfectly cooked. Woo! And if you don't like your onions, hard, if you want them like fully sauteed, you can cook them before you put them in here, but
that looks pretty dang good.
I'm not very picky, so let's give this a try. Woo! You can even add some hot sauce to this. I think that would be amazing.
Is it good?